Hi everyone! If you are new here and this is your first time watching one of my videos, please hit the subscribe button. If you are coming back and seeing me again, please hit the bell button so you can be the first to view my videos. I really wanted to share this coconut herbal soup recipe with you. It's tasty and it's healthy. As you will see, all the ingredients that go into the soup is packed with nutrition. If you would like to learn more about the herbs and ingredients I include in my herbal soups, hop on over to my blog.
Coconut.
So we're going to crack the
Bang,
coconuts.
bang, bang.
You know what we're going to do with the coconuts?
What?
Making soup with the coconuts.
Ooh,
Okay,
I
watch
never seen
Papa. See the coconuts right there? We're going to crack open those coconuts. Are you ready? Okay, we're going to give them a couple of whack. Owen's going to bust those coconuts for us for a soup.
3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, you got to hammer a little hard above. Yeah, take your hands away though. You ready? Give it one big whack. Move your hand.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah, good job. Okay, watch how it's done. Yeah, even mommy can't do it. There it goes. See, you gotta whack it. Watch. You gotta give it a good firm whack. You wanna see? Let's see how we busted those coconuts. Now we're gonna make soup with them. See, that's the coconut on the inside. Oh. No, they're actually really dry. Only a little bit of juice. The young coconut actually has a lot of juice. And so these ones are the more old, we call them old coconut, but they're more ripe and more dry. So we're going to use the meat. See, so you want to touch it? Oh, and you want to touch it? So we're going to have to get the, so we're going to have to take the meat off. We're going to take the meat off and then we're going to use the coconut meat. Papa, bega si hala. Okay? Want to try? Here, pull. Sure, Papa. Yeah, meat go though. Yeah, we're going to take the meat and we're going to make some soup. Delicious coconut chicken soup. That's Owen's using all his strength and might. If you have watched my herbal soup videos, you'll notice that I use the black silky chicken a lot in my recipes. It is because it's one of the most nutritious proteins to add to your soup. If you don't have a black silky chicken, it's okay to use a Cornish hen or a free-range chicken. You will need to soak all the dry ingredients in water prior to adding to the soup, except for the goji berries. The reason is that the goji berries will get soggy.
for watching, and I do hope you join me for my next recipe.